Now, now in many bacteria are harmful. The first one is harmful is the C. See, these are all are the harmful bacteria. First bacteria is the spoiling of food material. Yes, many bacteria grow on foodstuff. They produce toxic substance which causing food poisoning. Generally, stored foodstuff lose their flavors and taste due to the growth of bacteria. Such foods are unfit for consumption. Okay, in that one, first one is the botulism. Botulism meaning this type of food poisoning is causing by the toxin produced by Clostridium bacteria. Which bacteria? Clostridium. This one. This Clostridium botulinum. These bacteria grow on preserved food, meat products, meat products, canned food stuff, poultry production. The poison affect the nervous system, causing the paralysis and diaphragm. About 65% of botulism cases treatment into the death of this one. And next one, staphylococcus. And some micrococcus and vegetable spoil. Some bacteria causing food is the micrococcus is a main vegetable spoilers. Pseudomonas clostridium causing the thing, wheat product. In the Acetobacter decay of the orange fruit. Next one, staphylococcus. Staphylococcus poisoning. Food poisoning is characterized by nausea, vomitings. The person recover after few hours. The bacteria grow on poultry products, cream-filled bakery products, cheeses, milk products, and solid products. The bacteria is grown staphylococcus. Next, salmonella bacteria. Another bacteria is called the salmonella. See, these are the bacteria, not fungi. These are salmonella poisonous. The symptoms are similar staphylococcus poisoning and resemble typhoid fever. Next one, they are caused by the contamination of the cooking food and partially cooked meat. That is called this causing the disease salmonella poisoning. And streptococcus and bacillus poison is here causing the enterococci. Bacillus, the symptoms are nausea, vomitings, syndrome, pains, diarrhea, improper cooking food for the main causing of the poisoning. These are the poisoning footwear. And another important spoilage of papers also. In the paper mills, later I'll explain water. In the paper mills, at the various stages of paper manufacture, bacteria contamination occur. They destroy the total material like cellulose. The decaying of the total cellulose. This is the spoilage of paper. And sometimes destruction of wood also. Wood products degrade by the action of bacteria. That is the, however, the decay are very slow. And sometimes some bacteria causing the rainwater pollution. Polluted bacteria are unsustainable for drinking. Those polluted water by drinking can cause the disease like, cholera causing bacteria, Vibrio cholera, typhoid causing bacteria, Salmonella typhi, Bacillus dysentery, Shigella dysenteria. These are the most very important harmful bacteria. When the water pollution, polluted water you can drink, causing the different types of disease. Cholera, the bacteria name is Vibrio cholerae, typhoid, Salmonella typhi, Bacillus dysentery, Shigella dysentery. These are the very important. And soil fertility also. Most of the inhabiting bacteria capable of the transforming soil nitrates into the gaseous nitrogen. This total process, denitrification, this bacteria is called denitrifying bacteria. Denitrifying bacteria, so example, Pseudomonas, Micrococcus, Thiobacillus, Arcobacteria, Thiobacil, Micrococcus, Archobacteria bacilli, denitrification bacteria, best example. Here, convert nitrates of the land into gaseous nitrogen. What happened as a result? Good loss of nitrogen occur from the soil. This soil deficiency in oxygen are also favorable for the activity of this type of bacteria. Say this is the how to bacteria to denitrification method. This is a denitrification method. See, coming to the many diseases, role of the this is the name of the pathogen disease. See, Vibrio, Salmonella typhi, typhoid, where the ultimately canal of man, Vibrio cholera, acetic cholera, and what is the state of infection, and microbacterium, this one, lungs man. These are all the list of the role of diseases and harmful plants and animals, including human also. This is also very important table in this one, different types of diseases. And this is a bacteria diseases in the animals. Bacillus anthrax disease in cattle. Next one, these are the leptospira in dog, birds, and rodent. This is a different diseases, types of bacteria. Plant decrease by yield of crop, they causing disease economic plant, domesticated animals and man. T.J. Burrill in 1878 first gave the information is the bacteria causing the disease and the plant disease. More than 170 species of bacteria causing the plant disease, mostly rod-like shaped bacteria, and many have them flagella of bacteria. The bacteria enter into the host to form the wounds or natural openings such as the stomata and sometimes lentils and sometimes hydrathodes to enter into the bacteria in the plants. See, this is the this table to reflect of the different types of bacteria name causing the disease infector. See, streptococcus, scab disease of potato tuber, xanthomonas, black rot disease, cabbage. These are the ervinate. Next, Pseudomonas, cauliflower spot disease, cauliflower, like this. This table to reflect with the different types of bacteria, different types of disease causing the plants. And another very important wilt disease. Here, causing by the blocking of the vessel, the host plant mosses of bacteria. The common example, this category is called wilt. There you can observe potato, cucumber, watermelon, and eggplant. Causing the disease is the bacteria wilt disease. Crohn gall disease and hate root disease also. Best where you can observe this one, apple, where the apple crop is there. In that crop, the disease causing the bacteria Crohn gall and hate root disease. Coming to the necrotic blight and leaf spot of root causing the disease, very common. 3 tables here, they know the parenchyma to causing the this one disease. See, this is a wilt disease, Crohn gall disease, necrotic blight, root of the rot of the carrot, black rot of potato, and leaf spot of eggplant. These are the important diseases for the bacteria. Yeah. Hello, sir. Any doubt?
Okay, regarding of today's class, my dear friends, if you have any doubt, please ask our respected resource person. Madam has clearly explained about the beneficiary and also the harmful effect of the bacteria. These are include economic importance of bacteria. Without this question, there is no CPGAT any other competitive examinations. So that's why బ్యాక్టీరియా నుంచి మనకు ముఖ్యంగా ఉపయోగకరమైనటువంటి అదేవిధంగా హానికరమైనటువంటి బ్యాక్టీరియాకు సంబంధించినటువంటి అంశాల మీద డెఫినెట్గా మనకు క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేటువంటి వస్తాయి కాబట్టి మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, it is very important topic regarding of this class. If you have any doubts, otherwise I will going to wind up the session.